Welcome to my channel. I'm trying to install the Ring Doorbell Pro with a transformer, the Ring branded transformer from the ring.com, and they've sent me the Pro Power Kit version 2 with harness. And the way I set it up is pin number 1, which is the left hand side, connects directly to the one port of the doorbell, and then the wire from terminal 4, the top right, is actually connected to this Pro Power Kit version 2, and then the other side, and then in return the Pro Doorbell Pro actually connects to the other terminal of the Ring Doorbell Pro. So the way I set it up is, if you have got a transformer, so you could just use a catalyst with a 3 amp fuse, so connect it to the bottom two like this. It doesn't matter which one is which wires goes to which hole, because it is an alternating current, so it doesn't matter. So it's just a normal catalyst, as you can see, and I've changed the fuse to 3 amp. So now I'm going to start the Ring Doorbell Pro to see what I get. It's now switched on. Right. It does take about 2 or 3 minutes for the Ring Doorbell Pro to go through the startup stage. If it takes longer than 5 minutes, then, or even 10 minutes, then there's a problem somewhere. It does take some time, but I waited for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it's still in this current state. So by pressing the orange button on the side of this Ring Doorbell Pro, if you take the fascia off, you should see the orange button on the right hand side. To do a hard reset, which I've already done, is to press that orange button, press and hold for about 30 seconds, and then it would do a restart. That's actually hard reset it as well, and I've tried that, no joy.